I organized a welding workshop here for a woman, for a girl, a young woman. Her father and her uncle and her grandfather were blacksmiths, but they kept refusing to teach the girl how to weld. And this is stupid because girls are actually good welders. And this
Yeah.
is not a matter of power of.
Or gender or anymore.
But anyway, getting to the kids in this phase, in this time of their lives, can be very fertile.